The CSV file is just a text file. If we open it with a text editor, for example, WordPad, well, we can see what we see. The content is a bit strange. We can even edit the file and save. We can also open it. Just with Excel. Double-click it as if you already have it. I saw it too. It's pretty ugly. So what we have to do is select the first column to search for something. Like column or convert text to table. A text table will appear. The wizard, we will choose the separator for the document. In this case, is the semicolon, comma. You can choose comma. After completion, it executes correctly. In this case, we see that the data appears. We can now manipulate it. There is no problem editing your document, cells and so on, and we can save it. CSV formats and MS Excel formats. Here we usually use CSV to import and export in computer tools. The only important thing is that you should know. You may not change the headings. You can modify everything else. I have Google Drive at the back. If I just drag the CSV file to a folder, open it with a double click, this is a preview. Open it with Google Spreadsheets. Please note that now we see it properly. There is no need to separate it into columns. In menu file, download. You can export to Excel or CSV separated by commas. We can do anything, edit. But we must respect the headings. We have many in this example. Usually any application will expect specific header. Null data must be respected. Going back to Google Drive, we see there are two files, the one we uploaded and the one Google creates in its format.